Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. This is a 2016. This boat is absolutely gorgeous on the outside. Doesn't have any scratches or nicks in the gel coat. Powered by a 300 horsepower engine. Only has 140 hours on it. As we enter the boat, as you can see in the pictures, we have a fold down seat here. Have your rod storage holders, some more rod holders up top. We got this seat here, which can fold down into 4 different settings. You can face back and relax. It lays all the way down flat. Just kind of nice to have multiple different settings. Here in this compartment we have the head. It's a decent big space with a sink, running water. Here in the bow, it's a nice big spacious bow. I have it set up right now with the table, but there is a sun pad cushion that goes underneath the table, and you can take the table out, so you got a nice big area to lounge. Here at the helm, we have a fully touchscreen Lawrence, multiple different settings. Comes with a Fusion head unit and JL speakers. Courtesy lighting inside here. You have blue courtesy lighting and or white if you want it. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Like always, hit the subscribe button and the like button for more videos.